Sports Minister Shakliar Warjri, while briefing the media before the quarter-final match between Shillong Lajong FC and East Bengal FC at Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium, Shillong yesterday, the minister highlighted the objectives of Mission Football 2.0 aimed at upgrading grassroots infrastructure and empowering local athletes. The minister announced that Mission 2.0 will include revised salary structures for coaches, refresher courses, and grant programs for coaches, support staff, referees and officials. He also assured support for local clubs with sanctioned amounts of up to Rs 15 lakhs to enhance football development in Meghalaya.
Paro minla ia kaba talimbakan ka musim football tu sedang isu suai ke atlet sebelum kiu. Pada hawangi pen ka salary structure of the musim football tu mila advice de donru ki mila buru ia kaba ni berhad bengin pak ki coaches jemi pun ka refresher course. Maka mengiong ka tunggan gajuk ke pemerintah ni dan kami ki coach jemi nak support yo ia ki training pakin long updated bat kaneka juk ke pemerintah tunggan ki refresher course tu tunggan ki grant program senam tadi coaches ki jemi